Welcome to Gamers Den. Subscribe my channel and click the bell icon for more updates.
Hello YouTube, this is my channel Gamers Den. In this video I am going to unbox my new Trolley speaker. Let's proceed. So basically this my speaker looks like this. It has the specification. I will zoom in for you all. We have SD card option, FM mode, microphone, MP3 and the USB. So this is of Smart Plus. This is an Korean company basically. So I will just give you a short review of this. We have a cable over here. This is a power cable. I will give you a review of this cable also. So these are the specifications over here on the back of the speaker. It has a USB port, an SD card port, and these are all are the controls. Here we have first button, we have mode button. Through this button we can change our mode of playing. Right now I have a Bluetooth mode on here. I will connect to my phone and I will play a song for you all. Now it is connected. So this is the volume button. I will increase it. This is a bass. We can adjust our bass over here. So as you have seen, this was the Bluetooth mode. Now I will give you a review of this all. This is a mode button, this is a record button, and we have a mic priority button, and this is a play button and forwarding. We have a volume button. We can adjust our volume through this, and we have a bass button. We can increase our bass and decrease our bass according to our wish. This is a terrible button. Maybe all of you know this. An echo, and we have an amazing feature in this. We have a microphone also with this. I will give you a review of this after this is over. We can connect external speakers through this. We can just push back this and this wires, and we can connect external speakers along with this. This is a power button. So here it is, guys. This is a power cable. I have shown you previously. It will connect here, right here, and you can charge. Minimum charging hours is 2 to 2.5 hours. And you can play, and its playback time is around 12 to 14 hours. You can play your songs without charge 12 to 14 hours. So now let's go to our microphone. We have two batteries. We have to connect two batteries to it and just roll it. It will close. This is a switch on and off button in here. We can adjust our mic volume. right over here we have M volume, which means mic volume. We should increase our volume also. And here we have hello mic testing. We have two mics with this. So here it is, the smart plus speaker.